Speakers are great. The topics are great. Networking for us is fantastic. It's wonderful.
Most of the guys that he brings back, these are successful guys, and they all bring value.
There's not a lot of places you can go and meet literally like 400 people in the same room that all want to do the same thing you're doing.
And I want to describe what I call a dealmaker journey, and then maybe you'll recognize yourself because there's always the next level. And we as a company want to help you achieve that next level.
I want to be one of these guys that stand on that same stage talking about my success next year.